What do you think, Hayden?
Pretty excited.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What are you most excited about?
Not working out of a garage.
So first order of business today, we gotta go pick up our scissor lift, get up in the ceiling, get everything cleaned, prepped, masked off.
Yeah.
We're going just for a little, what is it? What day is it?
Tuesday?
A little Tuesday morning cruise on the scissor lift. Before we get too far, I just wanted to take a quick second to back up a little bit. So for the last 6 years, we've been at my home shop in Conifer, and recently we decided to make the jump and move into this new facility down in Morrison. So perfect location, easy to get to, and we are also right next to a Home Depot. So we need big stuff.
Big stuff.
Couple of little things that we're gonna do. The first thing is we're gonna get the ceilings all prepped for paint. We're gonna go flat black on the ceilings, which I think will be really nice for filming video. It's gonna also look super good in photos.
Final piece.
Final piece.
Nice.
Right there on the door. Epoxy coating finished up yesterday. Now there's really nothing left to do but move out of the home shop, unload some equipment, and start making rings.
Let's see what we got.
First load of equipment.
What do you think, Hayden?
Got the first ring loading up,
Nice.
the new shop.
Looks pretty empty now. Won't be for long.
Growing pains, moving pains right now, but it's gonna turn into a real shop really quickly. Well, that's a wrap. We're finally moved into our new space. Feels so good. I just want to give a big heartfelt thanks to everyone who has helped us. These last few weeks have been crazy between getting orders out. I want to thank my wife, Karen, for being so supportive of this whole process. Really can't wait to show you what we have in store for this year. Honest Hands, we've got a lot of new products coming out, hoping to add more people to our team here, and really just deliver the coolest, most thoughtful rings that we can.